Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is, what's today? Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. And Wednesday, yeah, today's Wednesday. I kind of have nothing to do right, well I don't have nothing to do, but I'm kind of enjoying doing nothing right now. Paisley's been sleeping for a little while. There's Chase. She had some shots yesterday and I think she's still not feeling too great from that. But yeah, what did I do today? I don't know. I did some laundry. We did a little school. We're trying to finish up our history.
We read this boring book.
We're trying to finish up our history because we still haven't finished it. Story of the World, Volume 1 is what we're doing for history, and we're going to do the second one this year. So we got to finish that one so we can move on to the next one. So the other day, or the other week, or the other month, Moose Toys sent us, let me see it. Moose Toys sent us a new toy to open. So it's a talking bird that repeats what you say. Talking bird. We gotta say something to it. You probably have to hold down a button when you're recording. Do it again. Take a finger.
You turned it into a cookie.
It recorded the laughing. Alright. So, as you can see, this is very delightfully funny and entertaining. It has light up wings and a little beak that actually opens when it talks. Alright, well, now that we've experienced that, the whole bird, by the way, thank you so much to Moose Toys for sending that over to us. Very cute. Makes the kids yell things into it. Anyway, I am out on the deck right now. I'm going to do a deck makeover. Just kidding. I'm going to try to put up. I'm going to try to put up some tiki torches because I got these like 2 years ago and haven't done anything with them yet. I needed something to put them up with, so I got zip ties. These are 14-inch zip ties, and I'm going to try to attach it to the deck. I have 3 of them, so I'm just going to try to spread them out a little bit. So, I don't know, maybe Greg and I can come outside when it's nice out and enjoy the deck at night.
We at not Walmart. We
keep some bugs away.
At Walmart.
No, I got these at Lowe's. Which, by the way, we went to Lowe's this past weekend, and it was so much nicer than going to Home Depot. Like, I think I'm going to go to Lowe's all the time now instead of Home Depot, because Home Depot is always so busy, no matter what day I go, whether it's the weekend, weekday, anytime. So busy in there, and Lowe's was just like pretty empty. Like, I hope they're okay. Like, I hope Lowe's is doing all right, but it was nice and quiet in there. There weren't people everywhere. We could easily just like walk around, go down the aisles, like much better experience. So anyway, I'm gonna try to put some tiki torches up. They're supposed to keep bugs away. So there, I got 1, 2, 3. Now I just need some lights and a rug and a couch. It'll look very nice out here. I got a thing here that lost the wick. It's in there somewhere. And I even had the fuel, whatever it's called for it, that I got for free when I got this table set back here. When I bought that table set like 2 years ago when we first moved in, they gave me all their tiki torch fuel, so I have like 2 big jugs of it, so that's cool. Stupid lens won't stay open. Okay, hi guys, so it is the next day now. We did not end up sitting out on the porch last night, but a spider found my tiki torches last night sometime, I guess, and made a web strand across them, so now I have to go knock that down. But maybe tonight we'll go outside. Today we went to Target again because the other day when we were there I bought Madison more shorts and tried to get her a bigger size so that they would be longer on her because the shorts are all so short. So we got her the bigger size and they're way too big. So we just went back today, I exchanged them, kind of got her the other size and a couple other things. Got her a dress for church because she has like no church clothes. She keeps wearing the same stuff every week. Still need to get her a couple more, I think.
Can I show what I got?
Sure, you can show what you got.
I'll look at the camera. These are the new shorts that I got. These.
Okay, so we got 3 pairs of the same shorts. They're just the Cat and Jack. Whatever, Madison likes to wear shorts all year long, so...
I'll look at the camera.
Huh?
And then I'll look at the camera.
Alright, I'll show you in a second, okay?
I got 2.
I said that weird.
Crop top. This one. And then
They're not really that cropped though. I'm okay with them. I'm okay with them being worn out of the house.
this sunflower one.
Yeah, very cute.
This one has white roses on it.
Yep.
And this is the dress that Mommy got for church.
Very cute. You could probably even wear that for like fall pictures or something if we do a fall. We should do a fall family picture this year with Paisley.
And then if it's like cold out in the fall, and
Which it will be. Yeah, we got like a, it's like a sweater cardigan thing, yeah.
thing.
Very nice.
Oh, look at that camera. So we got this sound machine for Madison.
Madison got a sound machine, yeah.
Because I have problems falling asleep.
Yeah, for some reason. Anyway, we're back home now. Oh, my haircut is happening tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day, so I've been looking at my phone a lot today, trying to get like the perfect picture, and I think I know what I'm going for. I have like a few different pictures to show.
Look at the camera again. Are you excited?
I'm very
Are
excited.
you going to go underwater when we go no?
I'm gonna go under the water in the pool, yeah.
Okay,
I'm gonna come up, and there's gonna be like no hair. It's gonna be...
I want you to race me collecting. On Friday, and Mommy will get a haircut.
Yeah. Do you want me to cut my hair short, Noah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want me to cut all my hair off?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we're gonna do. What are you doing, huh? Jumpy, 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 jumpy. Jumpy, jumpy. So I'll show you some pictures of what I'm thinking of for my hair. Okay, so got a lot of pictures in here. So I like this one a lot. I like how short it is. I definitely want it like really short on the sides, like shaved down on the sides. I want to experience like shaved on the sides. So hers is pretty short on the sides, but I think I would want mine like even shorter.
So you want like shaved on the side, but like on the top like a little bit longer?
Yeah.
Like here?
Like this section here would be longer, and then like on the sides would be shorter. Trying to find like the main ones that I like. So then I saw this girl, and I really like this part right here where it's so short on the sides, and then she has it like longer over here, and it's probably just like short all the way in the back and just like longer in the front. So I like that, but I'm hesitant on doing something like that because I don't want to feel like my hair is in my face. Like the main point of this is to have like my hair out of my face without having to pull it back in a ponytail all the time. Like that's one of the main things. So I don't know. But I guess I could always like twist it back and like clip it or something if I want it out of my face. But then, and if I want to look cute and like have my hair like look kind of girly or whatever, I could have it down in the front. Then there's this. I like this one a lot. I don't know. I just like, again, it's kind of the same thing, like short on the sides and longer on the top. And then this girl, I actually found her on Instagram, and I really, really like her hair. She's got a whole bunch of different pictures on her Instagram of her hair. So I really like how it's long, and I mean, it looks really cute on her. But again, I don't want it to be like bothering me and like falling in my face all the time or like getting in my eyes. But like that's what it looks like on the side, and I think that's really pretty, and I like how short it is. And this is the same girl again. Like, look how pretty that is. She's also just a very pretty girl, so I don't know. I don't know if it would look that good on me, but I really like how her hair is cut. But I also like this too. Madison says she doesn't like this one, but I like that too. Like really short on the sides, a little bit longer on the top. That's perfect. So anyway, now you have a kind of an idea of what I'm going for. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm making rice. I'm bad at making rice. I probably have to add some more water because my rice is never cooked enough. Okay, so I just took a shower, washed my hair for the last time. Well, washed my hair long for the last time. And I don't know, maybe I won't even have to use these hair towels anymore. That would be cool. Gonna edit this video. Maybe try to have it up tomorrow, but probably not. I don't know. Editing and uploading in one night is like a lot. And I don't know, these days, when the end of the night comes, like I just want to chill out. That's why I haven't been posting as many videos, because like I'm tired at night. Like a lot of the time I just don't have the energy to edit a video, even though I'm just sitting here. Like I just want to sit here and zone out and go on my phone and fall asleep. So yeah, I will see you guys all for my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.